In this tutorial, we'll have a quick look at what to do if you've been asked to complete a file like a PowerPoint file or a Word file and to submit via Teams assignments. So the first thing that I suggest you do from your Microsoft homepage is, rather than clicking on the app, is to go into your OneDrive space, just so you can create your files and manage them in here. So if you've been asked to create a PowerPoint file, we click on the New tab, go down to PowerPoint Presentation, and you'll notice that opens up a new tab where we can create that PowerPoint. I suggest the first thing that you do is at the top bar is change the name, and then you can begin your work as usual, adding slides as we go and so on. Now that's saving all the time. So if we look across the top, I go back to my OneDrive tab, and there's that test presentation. So once that's complete, I need to get over to Teams. So from the Microsoft homepage, it's still open as a tab, I can click into Teams. That will open up as a new tab. So I go to the class that the work has been set for, and if it's an assignment, it will appear in the post section, or we can go onto the assignments tab and review all the assignments that we've been set for this particular class, and within there be able to see everything that we need to do. If it fails to load the first time, it did briefly there, remember to use the refresh button at the side of your browser. If you are using the desktop app, you just pop back to the main Teams page and back to assignments, because remember there will be some lag sometimes, as Microsoft have had a 750% increase in usage over the last week. So go to the relevant assignment. I'm ready now to attach my work. So if we look towards the bottom here, it says add work. Now I've already completed my PowerPoint in my OneDrive area. So if I've got OneDrive selected, I can go across now and click on the presentation that I'd like to attach, plus any other files I think the teacher might need to see as well. So if I've been asked to submit 2, I can do. And click on attach. Those are now attached here. The blue bar across the bottom will go across to say when they're fully downloaded, and I can hand that work in to the teacher. So that's a start to end, how to create and how to attach your files to an assignment within Teams. Obviously, your teacher may have asked you to submit your work in other ways. Look at my other tutorials for how to do that.